A Zimbabwean expert says the just concluded China International Fair for Trade in Services is a good platform that brings Chinese and other global enterprises together.
The China International Fair for Trade in Services is a good platform. It's a great initiative that has been going on for years, whereby the services sector in China and the world converge to, have a business convergence of trade in services. And I think it can benefit Zimbabwe in the sense that Zimbabwe is now slowly getting into the services sector, as opposed to previous years whereby people only majored in the manufacturing sector, which was the primary sector. But now people are also going into tertiary sectors such as the services sector in their day-to-day lives. We are trying to tap into the Chinese market. So exhibitions such as the CIFTIS provided platforms for companies and service providers like us, whereby we can go and export our services and give the Chinese community what we can offer as Zimbabweans.